G'day folks, today is just going to be a quick little video and we're going to be taking a look at the GPC case for the Mavic Air 2. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So this hard case here is from GPC. If you're a regular to my channel, you know that I really like their cases. I own quite a few for most of the drones that I own. Now, nothing beats the portability of a shoulder bag or even a backpack, but when it comes to superior protection, definitely something like this, a hard case, is what you're looking for. Now, this here is the shoulder bag that comes with the Mavic Air 2. It's not a bad little case. It fits everything in there nicely. It is a little tight of a fit, but everything does fit in there. The problem with a bag like this is that it is water resistant, splash resistant, so if you get caught in the rain, you're going to be fine. But if you were in a situation and this thing accidentally gets submerged in water, you're not going to be so lucky. It also offers very little in the way of impact resistance. Even just a drop from a few meters up can really damage the equipment inside. And even if you own a case like this, a shoulder bag or a backpack, having a hard case ready to go for some adventures is a good idea. Myself, I'm getting ready for a backpacking deep woods camping trip coming up here in a couple weeks. The area that we're going to be camping in is only accessible by canoe, so when I'm going on adventures like that, I definitely like to keep my equipment safe. You never know with canoes if you're going to tip over, which I have done, and of course you never know when you're going to get caught in the rain. Drone could be sitting on a riverbank in mud. Something like this will definitely keep the contents protected. So let's just take a look at the case here. Standard GPC quality, nice durable case. It has a double latch lock system, so you don't have to worry about opening your case accidentally. It's got two spots where you can lock it to keep the contents secure, and of course it also has a pressure regulator. So let's open it up here, we'll take a look inside, and we'll see how everything fits in there. Comes with a printout showing you where everything goes and some of the features of the case. Everything is precision cut, so you know everything is going to fit perfectly. First of all, here are the ND filters that come with the Mavic Air 2. And they just fit down in the box there. But they also sell an optional set of ND filters with some different variations in it. So that spot there will hold two ND filter cases from DJI. The drone fits nicely down in that cavity there. So we have one battery installed in the drone, and we have 3 extra slots there, so we can hold a total of 4 batteries in this case. Just like that there. The charging hub fits in that back slot. Just like that. There's a slot at the back here for holding spare propellers. The charging brick fits down in there just like that. Now we have another cavity here below where the controller sits, so that's where we can put all our cabling. We've got the power cable for the power brick, USB-C cable. We could fit a spare set of props in there. And there's even enough room to fit the adapter that turns the Mavic Air 2 battery into a power bank. It can fit down in there just like that. Now at the back here, you can see we have 2 other openings. That is for a lens cleaning pen, and you also have a slot for the memory card holder that GPC sells. So yeah, a nice little case. Everything is nicely safe and secure inside, and it's not overly big. Sometimes these hard cases can get quite large, but due to the small form factor of the Mavic Air 2, the case is relatively small and still easy to manage when you're traveling. So definitely the GPC case for the Mavic Air 2 is a good choice if you're looking for a hard case for your Mavic Air 2. I'll leave the links down below where you can go and check it out further. I want to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.